Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Massa Labs token. Name of the token is Massa, M-A-S-S-A, and ticker symbol is M-A-S. Now this token actually has their own Explorer. You can find it at explorer.massa.net /mainnet. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 15th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says Massa offers a genuinely decentralized L1 blockchain solution with autonomous smart contracts, fully on-chain web hosting, high performance of up to 10,000 transactions per second, and true decentralization. We are addressing the many issues we have seen with current blockchain related to centralized, leading to hacks, abuses of power, and censorship. Massa is going back to the roots of the Nakamoto vision with no compromise, enabling the true mass adoption of Web3 and trustless DeFi, gaming, or governance applications. So this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting April 15th at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MAS, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's a bunch of very popular projects being listed today and tomorrow on Mexc Global, and yesterday for that too. So if you're looking to see what brand new projects are listed, you could always just check out the most recent videos on my YouTube channel. You'll see a bunch listed there. Now, if you go to their webpage, massa.net, you can find a document section as well, docs.massa.net. Over there, you're going to find tutorials like start building, full tutorial section, Massa Station, how to run a node, discover Massa, all that stuff is on there. On their webpage, you'll find their Explorer, white paper, launchpad, building, learning, and community section. So all sorts of stuff there. They also have socials. So scalability with uncompromised security. Massa is the first and only layer 1 blockchain that tackles the trilemma of scalability, decentralization, and security without compromise, achieving over 10,000 TPS with thousands of nodes. Our parallel block architecture and unique autonomous smart contracts are setting new standards in DeFi and Web3. 7,000 plus nodes on our testnet, 10,000 plus transactions per second, and 100,000 plus Nakamoto coefficient. So groundbreaking innovation. Massa's technological advances enables an unprecedented combination of scale and decentralization. Our parallel block architecture allows blocks to be produced in parallel threads, achieving unprecedented scalability. Transaction sharding eliminates duplicate transactions and risks like double spending across these parallel blocks. Massa's unique autonomous smart contracts remove the need for external centralized bots, revolutionizing DeFi and enabling true autonomous operations. Our pioneering on-chain web hosting provides dApp front ends with the same level of decentralization as smart contracts, enabling security. Browse dApps directly with no need for centralized intermediaries. Autonomous smart contracts. So Massa's ASCs activate based on predefined conditions, eliminating external triggers. These ASCs enable automated strategies on dexes like limit orders, loan payments, and collateral liquidations, scheduled transactions for lower gas fees, evolving NFTs, and gaming environments. By embedding automation into smart contracts, ASCs unlock decentralized finance without centralized intermediaries. This innovation positions Massa to revolutionize DeFi. So it says, act fast, limited Massa tokens available, embark on a journey and explore various launch pads today. So, I mean, most tokens and coins have a limited supply available, and that is, like just like Bitcoin. That's why there's, scarcity and creates value, but, some of them are unlimited. But anyways, Massa press coverage. The crypto media is talking about us. Check out some of the press coverages about Massa. They have the Massa's decentralized web. So Massa offers a groundbreaking solution for a fully decentralized web specifically designed to enhance the security of dApps by hosting websites on Massa's blockchain. Attack vectors such as DNS hijacking are eliminated, which have led to significant losses in the DeFi space. Users can deploy fully decentralized applications to adhere to the code is law principle without the need for centralized servers. This ensures that front ends are hosted in a secure, immutable, and censorship-resistant manner. You can experience the thriving Massa ecosystem. So developers are building the next generation of decentralized apps, leveraging Massa's capabilities like autonomous smart contracts and on-chain web hosting to create censorship-resistant, transparent, and reliable decentralized experiences. At the bottom of their webpage, Massa.net, they have a GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, Medium articles, Reddit, YouTube, Discord, LinkedIn, press, careers, privacy policy, terms of service, build, blog, ambassador, dashboard, useful links, run a node, apply for a grant, developer documentation, team, vision, technology, autonomous smart contracts, and decentralized web links. So you can find all the info at Massa.net, and you can find this coin newly listed on Mexc Global starting tomorrow, April 15th. So check out all the referral codes down there. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.